Deeper thinking on red blood cell values. An athlete trains at high altitude to enhance their performance. What changes in red blood cell values would you expect to observe? And why? Training at high altitude exposes the athlete to lower oxygen levels, which stimulates the release of erythropoietin from the kidneys. This hormone promotes red blood cell production to enhance oxygen carrying capacity. As a result, the athlete is likely to have an increased red blood cell count, hemoglobin, HB levels, and hematocrit. Additionally, reticulocyte count may be temporarily elevated as the body ramps up red blood cell production. Over time, these adaptations improve oxygen delivery to muscles, enhancing endurance and athletic performance.